Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be doing our blanched asparagus with lemon confit brown butter and roasted pistachio nuts. Fabulous new asparagus dish. We're going to start out with the brown butter. You can see the foam. This is very important. Our butter is cut into cubes, put into the pot, medium-high heat, slowly cooked. That foam will start to dissipate and our butter is going to start to turn brown. This is a crucial point. We really have to watch it because, as you know, this is very hot. If we go just a little bit too far, we're going to have beurre noir black butter instead of brown butter. We're looking for a nice amber color. Those milk solids are browning nicely. The foam is dissipating. That's a key sign that we're almost there. The color of this butter now. Beautiful. Was that color, hazelnut color. You want to bring this down to room temperature, about 80 degrees. Upon receiving our asparagus, we have to make sure that we look for stalks that are green from tip down to our 8-inch measurement. No shriveling on our stalks, dime size at the end of our spheres. So portion these 8-ounce portions. As we have in our blanching procedure, we need to make sure that we are set up with our ice bain-marie, our boiling salted water, which goes in for 1 minute 20 seconds. They come out, beautiful bright green color. And yes, our bands are a little bit loose, but we got to make sure that they don't double tie these, or else they're going to put creases in our asparagus. But this will hold together when we're blanching them and reheating them in our water. Okay, we have our brown butter. As you can see, it's very rich and dark. It's not burnt, but it's a very rich amber color. Once we add the lemon, we're going to still have the brown, nice brown color and the beautiful hazelnut flavor. We take our lemon confit. We want to make sure that when we're pulsing this in the robot coupe, is that we're still leaving nice little pieces of the lemon. That's going to give a nice texture to the asparagus, to the dish as a garnish. So we're going to take our 16 ounces, 2 cups of our lemon confit, add it into our 4 pounds of brown butter, and we're going to mix this together. Take a whisk. Mixing all those little pieces together. We're going to take our 8 ounces of blanched asparagus in our part of simmering water. After approximately 1 minute, depending on how many bunches of asparagus we're doing at one time, we drain the asparagus, put it in our bowl. Of course, with gloves, take off our rubber bands. Stir our lemon confit brown butter, 2 ounces, in the bowl. We're tossing our asparagus with the lemon confit butter. And to this, we're going to add a half a teaspoon of salt and pepper mix. Again, continue to mix that up, coat well. Take our asparagus out of the bowl, straighten up our ends, lay those nice, and we want to try to get it nice and straight. For this, it's going to make it look very pretty. Then we're going to take our little pieces of the lemon confit, which we talked about before. That goes on the top. And then we're going to garnish this with 1.5 tablespoons of roasted pistachios. These are salted roasted pistachios. They come roasted to us. These are pulsed in the robot coupe. So again, we have nice pieces. We don't have powder. We have to make sure we're not doing too much at one time, or else we will get a powder. So this is liberally across the top, 1.5 tablespoons. And then this goes up to the line, and this is served with 2 forks.